I think it's time. Guys, I can't believe it. We have just hit 1,000 subscribers. I just don't know what to say. We hit 500 literally 2 days ago. This has just all happened so quickly, and I'm flabbergasted.
What?
But thank you all, everyone who's been supporting me in the comments, just by even liking the video. Thank you so much. I don't know what else to say. Thank you guys so much, and I think it's time. I'm kidding. We're gonna do that at 100K subs, so subscribe.